Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Unveiled Spy, and I'm gonna show you how to check the pin code of this printer. So HP printers has the factory pin code, and to check it, we need to open the printer. So we can't do it wirelessly with ABS or HP application. Nope, we need to first open the front panel and then open the printer. You need to do it with closed this lid, okay? This lid must be closed, and then open it, and here you will see the pin code on the sticker. As you can see, here is the pin code. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.